morning, Saturday morning. Wow, what a nice, cool and nice winter day. I'm just on the meeting point in Eniron. נראה לך? Good morning, Eniron, and good morning, Tom. Tom has been absent from our recent rides, and Avi and Barak behind me. And it's a cool winter morning, so let's see what's happening today. Ooh, what a nice exit of Eniron. And I feel my rear tire is a bit losing grip, so I guess it's about time I'll be replacing it with my new one. I've been riding more than 500 kilometers on the road, and then some more kilometers off-road during our desert tour. So I've grinded it to the end. Well, the TKC 80 is quite soft. Our highway number 6, and everything has been flattened by the rain, as you can see, and by the tractors here riding. It's really like asphalt now. Wow, unbelievable. Woo, that's nice. And there is someone around the bend. Wow, no sand anymore. Well, this road here is just on the edge of this nature reserve here, so we're not allowed to ride inside here. But as you can see, it starts to be green, so it rained enough for the sprouts to peek out, and that's nice. Well, it's not really muddy. And this goat trail here I like so much. Well, I can't complain. It's nice and cool. It's better than being too warm. It's just on the edge of, you know, a bit too cold. Now it's a short downhill here. Yeah, I prefer to fuel up. I have almost 100 kilometers on my gauge. Now usually it's I would say 125 until my reserve tank needs to be kicked in. Okay, so I just fueled up. As you can see, my gauge here is on 0 kilometers and running. Well, this is you can say it's a downside of the DR, but the DR is a most suitable motorcycle for taking care of yourself. No unnecessary electronics, no fuel injection, and so on. Wow, wow, look at this. I have a punctured tire. Nice one. It's my workout. Yeah. I'll do it here. Okay, רגע. הופה. רגע. רגע, הכל טוב. וואו. Well, what are you going to say about statistics? Another trail with a nail. It was a 6 centimeter rusty nail in my rear tire. And this time I didn't bring the soap to help and put the tire back on the rim. So we were struggling. So that's it. Let's hope everything will be okay for now. Wow. I think shit happens when you complain. So I was complaining about my rear tire and just finished with this puncture. Now let's hope everything is okay, so we can continue just a bit more. Well, I have a map, I have a satellite reception, and everyone is here. Well, it's speeding up a bit, so we can feel that it's nice and running. And I need to turn my turn signal because it's a left here. Almost flipped it forward. And I think we have a perfect spot for a coffee break. Bye, Barak. Well, no more nails for me, please, please, for today. This was enough. So Barak left us. He has some family business to attend while it's still Saturday. So Tom is taking us on a short detour here just to show us this trail. Where does it lead us to? Don't get tangled with the branches. Wow, it's getting interesting now. I hope not too interesting. Oh, wow, this is a lone palm tree here. Wow. Well, by the climate they can survive here, but still, you know. Ooh, that's a nice single trail here. Ooh, nice one. Oh, that's narrow. That's narrow here. Work with the clutch. Work with the clutch. Oh, oh, almost. Ooh, this is tight here. This is really tight. Tight and turny. Nice one, waiting up for us. Opa. Banged something. Oh, that's tight here. It's really tight. Tight and muddy. I must stand up. I must stand up. But Ooh, that's really a workout for me. That's not so nice. Oh, almost. Why? My suspension is working very hard now. Don't want to get tangled with my panniers. Well, we're in the opening now. Whew. And it's warm. Starting to sweat. I guess I'm too tired. I needed a calmer ride today. I think this is enough for me, really. And not to bang my head. Ugh. Let's be careful with my panniers. You know what's funny? I thought Tom knows what he's doing, so he told me this is the first time he was riding this single trail. Now this white trail here is the one we usually ride. How did we miss this one here? אמרתי לך! אמרתי לך, תום! יאללה, קח אותה. So it's turning around now. Turning around because we prefer to skip this bumpy uphill here. So I was right. Oh, and a wet patch here. At least it's not dusty, which is excellent for us. Just a bit. Yeah, it was looking for this valley here, which will lead us all the way up to Hoshan. Let's see if we must miss a turn. Make it up a bit. Yeah, and Avi is behind us. We take a left here because right takes us all the way back in circles like we were. So this will take us down again. So sometimes when you're in the lead, you're collecting the nails for the others. So this time it was my turn. Well, I have to check up my motorcycle when I get back home. Something is out of balance. Well, so we will take a left here soon and ride all the way back. מה?
אני רואה מה הבעיה.
מה?
הוא נוסע לך ככה.
נכון? למה?
אני לא יודע, הוא לא מאוזן.
אבל...
אני לא יושב לגמרי במקום.
הרגשתי משהו כאילו... אבל תשמע... הצמיג, הרגשתי כאילו איזה משהו... אתה יודע, wobbly כזה. תום אומר שהוא רואה את הצמיג כאילו לא מאוזן.
דווקא את הבורג טוב שם?
כן, בטח. לא, we are backtracking the same route. Something is wrong with my rear tire. Maybe we damaged the rubber too much when trying to put it back on the rim. And when I was riding on road, I had a feeling something is really wobbly, out of balance. now we can really notice something is wrong. So we try to pressure it a bit up, but it's too much. So we lowered the pressure back to normal, and we are riding back on road. And I guess it's time for me to replace my rear tire. Well, Shamir was joking that I'm just grinding it to be as flat as paper. Ooh, nice one here. So we're taking the eastern route, off-road, all the way to the east entrance to Eniron. And this should take us all the way up to the Border Police Memorial. It's definitely a wide trail. It's bumpy a bit, but okay, if you pick the right lane. So I'm taking it easy on my rear tire. I have really no idea what's wrong. Just slow enough. Ooh, really muddy waters. So with this flat white trail here, parallel to highway number 6, I think it's farewell for today. With more than we could chew on. With my puncture and my trouble, but it was good as usual. And I hope you enjoyed it. So please subscribe to the channel, and see you with the next adventures of the Sharp Riders. Coming up soon, promise.